Picture this. You walk into a room full of people.
Maybe it is a party. Maybe it is a work event. Maybe it is a class.
You don't know anyone, not a single face.
Your phone is in your pocket. You could look at it.
The phone, the modern security blanket.
You pretend to read something very important.
Something absolutely critical on your Instagram feed.
Very urgent content. Cannot look up. Currently extremely busy.
Meanwhile, there is a perfectly nice person standing 2 meters away.
Also looking at their phone. Also pretending to be very busy.
2 people, both wanting to talk, both too nervous to start.
The great modern tragedy. 2 phones, no conversation.
And then someone, brave enough, says the first word.
Just one small sentence. Nothing dramatic.
And suddenly, a conversation begins.
And that person seemed interesting, warm, even funny.
And you think, why didn't I just say something first?
Because starting a conversation with a stranger is hard.
In your own language, sometimes hard.
In English, can feel almost impossible.
But today, we are going to make it feel possible.
More than possible. Natural.
We are giving you the exact words, phrases, and confidence to talk to anyone.
In English, anywhere, any situation.
Starting right now. Let's go.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Fluent Life English.
Your favorite place to learn real English for real life.
I'm Liam.
And I'm Amelia. And we are so genuinely happy you are here today.
Today's episode is B1 to B2 level.
If you are B1, this is exactly where you need to be today.
If you are B2, you will find some really natural conversation phrases today.
And if you are A2, please stay. This episode is incredibly practical for you.
The phrases today are short, clear, and immediately usable.
Nobody gets left behind. We explain everything step by step.
Before we start, one small favor as always.
If Fluent Life English helps you grow, like this episode and subscribe.
And leave us a comment below. We genuinely read every single one.
Today's comment question is this. 1 sentence only.
Are you a confident talker with strangers? Or does it make you nervous?
For example, I get very nervous talking to people I don't know.
Or, I actually enjoy meeting new people. I just struggle in English.
Liam, which one are you?
In my own language, confident. In a new situation, also nervous.
He just described every single person listening right now.
We are all the same underneath. Let's get into it.
Let's start with the truth.
Because the truth is actually very reassuring here.
Talking to a stranger feels scary in any language.
Even native speakers feel awkward starting a conversation sometimes.
Even very outgoing people have moments of, should I say something or not?
The difference is, they have the words ready.
They have phrases that work. Phrases they can say automatically.
Without thinking, without translating, without freezing.
And today, you are going to have those phrases too.
Think about it like a door.
A door. Okay, tell me more about this door.
Every conversation with a stranger is behind a closed door.
The door is not locked. It just looks intimidating.
And the key to that door is a simple opening line.
1 sentence. That is all it takes to open the door.
Once the door is open, the conversation flows much more naturally.
The hardest part is always the first sentence.
Always, without exception.
But the first sentence does not need to be clever or impressive.
It does not need to be funny or profound.
It just needs to be said.
And we are going to give you several options today.
So your brain always has something ready. No freezing, no blinking.
Let's start with the most universal conversation openers.
These work in almost every situation and every country.
First, commenting on something shared.
When you and a stranger are in the same situation, you already have something in common.
The same event, the same place, the same experience.
Use that. It is the easiest and most natural opener.
For example, you are both waiting for something.
This queue is moving really slowly, isn't it?
Instant shared experience. Instant connection point.
The stranger immediately agrees or laughs. Conversation begins.
Or at an event. Have you been to one of these before?
Curious, friendly, opens the door perfectly.
Or at a coffee shop. Do you come here often? The coffee's really good.
Classic. Simple, works every single time.
The coffee compliment. Universal social glue.
Seriously though, complimenting the place you are both in always works.
This venue is great, isn't it? Or what a beautiful day to be outside.
Positive, non-threatening, easy to respond to.
Now, a very important phrase for starting conversations politely.
Excuse me, followed by anything.
Excuse me is the magic opener in any English-speaking situation.
It gets attention politely. It signals you are friendly, not aggressive.
For example, excuse me, is the seat taken?
Or, excuse me, do you know what time it starts?
Or, excuse me, I couldn't help but notice your book. Is it good?
That last one, a genuinely wonderful conversation starter.
If someone is reading something interesting, they almost always want to talk about it.
People love talking about things they enjoy.
Give them the opportunity, and they will take it happily.
I once started a conversation on a train about someone's book.
Really? What happened?
We talked for 2 hours. She became a friend I still have today.
A 2-hour train conversation that started with, excuse me.
Just those 2 words, and a door opened completely.
That is the power of a simple opening line.
And now everyone listening has that power too.
Okay, section 2. You started the conversation.
The door is open. The stranger is responding.
Now, how do you keep it going?
Because starting is one skill, continuing is another.
And many people can start, but then panic when there is a pause.
The pause, the dreaded pause.
3 seconds of silence and the brain goes into emergency mode.
Say something, say anything. This is a disaster.
It is not a disaster. It is just a pause.
But it feels like a disaster every time.
Here is the secret about pauses.
Tell them.
The other person feels the pause too. They are also trying to think of something.
You are not alone in that uncomfortable moment.
You are in it together, which makes it much less scary.
And we are going to give you phrases that fill pauses naturally.
So the conversation keeps breathing, keeps moving.
First skill, asking follow-up questions.
A follow-up question is a question that responds to something the other person just said.
You listen, you pick one thing they said, you ask about that one thing.
For example, they say, I work in marketing.
Follow-up, oh really? What kind of marketing do you do?
Or they say, I'm visiting from Barcelona.
Follow-up, oh wow, is this your first time here?
Simple, natural, shows you are genuinely interested.
And people genuinely love, being listened to.
Asking a follow-up question is one of the kindest things you can do in a conversation.
It says, I heard you. I'm interested. Tell me more.
And nobody ever feels bad when someone says, tell me more.
Nobody, ever.
Next, useful small talk phrases that keep things flowing.
First phrase, that's really interesting. How long have you been doing that?
Works after almost anything someone tells you about their life.
Their job, their hobby, their studies, their travels.
How long have you been doing that always opens more conversation.
Next phrase, what do you enjoy most about it?
People light up when you ask them what they enjoy about something.
Because you are asking about their feelings, their experience, not just facts.
For example, you mentioned you travel a lot. What do you enjoy most about it?
That question, I could answer that for 20 minutes happily.
We know, Amelia, we know.
It is a good question. It deserves a long answer.
Next phrase, what brings you here today?
This is perfect at events, classes, networking situations, or any shared space.
For example, what brings you to this conference?
Or, what brings you to this class? Are you new here?
Open, friendly, gives the other person full freedom in how they answer.
Next, sharing something about yourself too.
Because a conversation is not an interview. It goes both ways.
After asking a question, share something related about yourself.
For example, I've been learning Spanish for about a year. What about you?
Or, I'm here for the first time too. Do you know anyone at this event?
When you share about yourself, the other person feels more comfortable.
It says, I am trusting you with something about me.
And most people respond to that trust with their own openness.
Vulnerability, even small vulnerability, creates real connection.
That is a big word for a conversation tip.
But it is true. Even saying, I'm a little nervous at events like this.
Makes the other person say, oh, me too. I was just thinking that.
And suddenly, you're bonded over shared nervousness.
Shared nervousness is the most underrated social connector.
Put that on a mug.
Fluent Life English mugs. Still not happening, but tempting.
Very tempting. Okay, one more essential phrase for this section.
I didn't catch your name. I'm Liam, by the way.
This is gold. Absolute gold.
It introduces yourself while also asking for their name without being awkward.
I didn't catch your name sounds so natural, so casual, not formal at all.
For example, sorry, I didn't catch your name earlier. I'm Amelia.
They smile, they give their name. You have officially moved from strangers to people.
And that shift from stranger to person is everything.
Okay, section 3, the part people forget to think about. How to end a conversation well. Because conversations cannot go on forever.
Unfortunately.
Sometimes you need to move on, politely, without it feeling sudden or rude.
And in English, there are beautiful ways to do this.
Think of ending a conversation like landing a plane
A plane. Okay, I like this.
You don't just drop out of the sky suddenly.
You descend gradually, smoothly. The passengers barely feel it.
The passengers being the other person in the conversation.
They should land softly, not crash land.
Exactly. So let's give you the phrases for a smooth landing.
First, giving a signal that you need to move on.
It was really lovely talking to you.
This is the classic, the universal, the always appropriate ending phrase.
For example, it was really lovely talking to you. I hope you enjoy the rest of the evening.
Warm, complete. Nobody feels rejected or dismissed.
Next, I should probably go and say hello to a few other people.
This works perfectly at events and parties.
It explains why you are moving on without making the other person feel dropped.
For example, I should probably go and say hello to a few other people, but it was so nice to meet you.
So nice to meet you. Always include this. Always.
It leaves the other person with a warm feeling and a good impression of you.
Next, I'll let you get back to.
This is a considerate way to end a conversation.
It shows you are thinking about the other person's time and plans.
For example, I'll let you get back to your friends. It was great chatting.
Or, I'll let you get back to your coffee before it goes cold.
Very considerate. Very British.
Protecting someone's coffee, the highest act of kindness.
The British will appreciate this deeply.
Now, staying in touch, because sometimes you meet someone and you genuinely want to continue.
The moment when a stranger becomes a potential friend or contact.
And you need the English to make that happen naturally.
First phrase. It would be great to stay in touch.
For example, it would be great to stay in touch. Are you on LinkedIn?
Or, it would be great to stay in touch. Would you like to swap numbers?
Swap numbers means exchange phone numbers. Very natural, very common.
Next, I'd love to hear more about that sometime.
For example, I'd love to hear more about your project sometime. Maybe we could grab a coffee?
Maybe we could grab a coffee. One of the most friendly phrases in English.
It suggests continuing the connection without pressure.
It is an invitation, not a demand. The other person can say yes or keep it casual.
And finally, it was so nice meeting you. I hope to see you again soon.
Simple, warm, perfect for any situation, from professional to social.
I want to share something before we go to the word tour.
Please.
When I moved to a new city a few years ago, I knew nobody.
That is such a vulnerable experience.
It really is. And the English-speaking world around me felt big and intimidating.
How did you start building connections?
One small conversation at a time. A comment to a neighbor, a question at a coffee shop, a follow-up question at a class.
And slowly, those small conversations became something bigger.
A community, real friends, a life in a new place.
All of it started with, "Excuse me."
Or, what brings you here?
Or, "It was really lovely talking to you."
Small phrases, big lives built from them.
And every listener today has those phrases now.
Use them. The world gets smaller and kinder when you do.
Excited word tour time. Let's finish strong.
Okay, slowing everything down for our word tour.
8 key phrases for talking to any unknown person in English.
Clear explanation, real example, slow repeat.
Say each one out loud. Confidence builds every time your voice says a new phrase.
Ready? Let's go.
First phrase, excuse me.
The universal polite opener. Use this to get someone's attention kindly and naturally.
Example, excuse me, do you happen to know if this event has already started?
Repeat slowly. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Second phrase. Is this seat taken?
A simple and natural way to start a conversation while also asking a practical question.
Example. Excuse me. Is this seat taken? I'm looking for somewhere to sit. Repeat slowly. Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken?
Third phrase, what brings you here today?
A friendly, open question that works at any event, class, or shared situation.
Example, what brings you here today? Is this your first time at one of these?
Repeat slowly. What brings you here today?
What brings you here today?
Fourth phrase. How long have you been doing that?
A natural follow-up question after someone tells you about their job, hobby, or interest.
Oh, you teach yoga. How long have you been doing that? Repeat slowly. How long have you been doing that? How long have you been doing that?
Fifth phrase, I didn't catch your name.
A casual and natural way to ask for someone's name without sounding overly formal.
Example, sorry, I didn't catch your name earlier. I'm Liam, by the way.
Repeat slowly. I didn't catch your name. I didn't catch your name. Sixth phrase, it was really lovely talking to you.
The warm and natural way to end a conversation on a positive and memorable note.
It was really lovely talking to you. I hope you enjoy the rest of the evening. Repeat slowly. It was really lovely talking to you. It was really lovely talking to you. 7th phrase, I'll let you get back to.
I'll let you get back to.
A considerate and polite way to end a conversation while thinking about the other person.
Example, I'll let you get back to your friends. It was so great to meet you.
Repeat slowly. I'll let you get back to.
I'll let you get back to.
8th and final phrase, it would be great to stay in touch.
The natural English phrase for suggesting you want to continue the connection after meeting.
It would be great to stay in touch. Are you on LinkedIn or Instagram? Repeat slowly. It would be great to stay in touch.
And those are your 8 conversation power phrases for today.
Choose 3 that feel most natural to you right now.
Practice them. Say them out loud. In your mirror, in your car, in a comment below.
And then use them in a real moment this week.
Because the real moment is where the magic actually happens.
And you are completely ready for that moment now.
Okay, time to wrap up today's episode.
Here is your simple takeaway from everything we covered today.
Starting a conversation with a stranger does not require perfect English.
It requires one brave sentence and the right words to follow it.
And now you have both.
So this week, your one action.
Start one conversation with someone you don't know.
A neighbor, a classmate, someone in a queue, anyone.
Use one phrase from today. See what happens.
And go to the comments right now.
Tell us, are you confident talking to strangers or does it make you nervous?
One honest sentence. We read every single comment, every time.
If today's episode helped you, please like it and subscribe to Fluent Life English.
And share it with one person who hides behind their phone at events.
They need this. We all know someone. It might even be us.
This was Fluent Life English. I'm Amelia.
And I'm Liam. And remember,
Every person you know today was once a stranger.
and one small sentence changed that.
Go say yours. Bye, everyone.
See you in the next episode. Go start a conversation.